Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person.
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the scariest thing.
But you watch over him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear.
Today's video features one of the most unbelievable courtroom moments you will ever see. This man, a self-proclaimed sovereign citizen, actually claims he's too scared to appear in person because the judge intimidates him. And yes, it only gets stranger from there. These types often believe they're above the law, but reality always catches up fast. The judge in this case completely shuts him down with patience and authority, turning this entire exchange into an eye-opening lesson in how the law really works. Let me know in the comments what you think about his behavior. How unreasonable is this on a scale of 1 to 10? And if you enjoy courtroom breakdowns like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Today's video features one of the most unbelievable courtroom moments you'll ever see. This man, a self-proclaimed sovereign citizen, actually claims he's too scared to appear in person because the judge intimidates him. And yes, it only gets stranger from there. These types often believe they're above the law, but reality always catches up fast. The judge in this case completely shuts him down with patience and authority, turning this entire exchange into an eye-opening lesson in how the law really works. Let me know in the comments what you think about his behavior. How unreasonable is this on a scale of 1 to 10? And if you enjoy courtroom breakdowns like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get right into it.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, he came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't. That's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery. It's not the prosecutor.
Well, the first thing I want. Okay,
you want a trial today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they sent me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed it, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney, okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just say? Can you?
I'm going to send this to the assignment clerk, Mr. Lanto. You're not listening.
Honestly, I'd give this guy a full 10 out of 10 for confusion. What do you think? He walks into court like he's running the show and tries to dismiss his own case, as if the judge needs his approval. It's wild to see how confidently wrong some people can be. Sovereign citizens seem to believe that laws don't apply to them just because they say so, but that's not how any legal system works. You have to wonder where these ideas even come from. Maybe online videos or echo chambers that keep spreading the same false information. Still, major respect to the judge here. He stays calm, professional, and doesn't let the nonsense slide for even a second. It's refreshing to see someone handle this with both firmness and a sense of humor. Let's get back to the hearing.
get in trouble because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were getting angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will send you a notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh. That's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple logical questions today?
At this point, it's clear this man should stop talking and listen to the judge while he still can. The judge has been incredibly patient considering how off track things have gotten. You can tell he's given the man every chance to correct himself and move forward. But instead, the man keeps testing limits. It's like he's trying to push the court just to see how far he can go, which is never a smart move. Nothing he said so far has made any logical sense, yet he keeps insisting he's right. It's frustrating, but also fascinating to watch someone argue against reality this hard. Let's see what happens next. Maybe he'll finally realize that the courtroom isn't a place for games.
Ask your attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And then number two,
we're asking for discovery.
Okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no. The proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the scariest
But
thing.
you watch over him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me and then you said I'm talking crazy?
No, you got it.
Did I just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
You said no. You said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then
Do you think he'll actually return to court in 30 days? My guess is yes. Deep down, he knows the judge has full authority, even if he refuses to admit it. Throughout this hearing, he's tried to play the victim, claiming fear and confusion, but it's pretty clear he's just stalling for time. He keeps talking in circles, hoping the judge will give up, but that's not how justice works. Honestly, he'd be much better off letting an attorney speak for him instead of digging himself deeper with every word. What really stands out is how scattered his arguments are. He goes from saying he's scared to claiming he doesn't recognize the court's power. It's a mix of denial and delay, and it's painful to watch but strangely entertaining. Either way, it's a great reminder that nobody is above the law. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this hearing. I always enjoy reading your insights. If you like this breakdown and want to see more courtroom reactions, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks so much for watching and take care.